Morning everybody, another day in the Smoky Mountains. We're starting off today in the Laurel Falls trailhead, taking it up to intersect with Cove Mountain. It's going to spit us out at the Sugarlands Visitor Center. I think it's about a 12.4 mile day, starting kind of bright and early so we can beat the traffic on Laurel Falls Trail. Looking forward to it. Let's go hiking.
Let's go.
Laurel Falls. Wow, it's quite the contrast from last time I was here at Laurel Falls. First time I visited was on the 4th of July weekend, and there was probably at least 100 people at the falls. So follow the advice. If you want to be here relatively by yourself and get a good picture of the falls, spend some time there in peace and quiet, start early. Don't wait. This is a very, very, very busy trail, so the earlier you start, the better. Our trailhead marker, we're actually here in April or March, and we're doing the Little Briar, and Metcalf Bottom loop for our maps. It's foggy up here. Smokies are in a mood today. Still a beautiful day though. Alright, coming up on the old fire tower here on the top of Cove Mountain. This is where a trailhead marker should be. Looks like somebody stole it. So we just ended up going and seeing the fire tower down there on Cove Mountain. We got a private road over here, and then Cove Mountain is continuing on this way. We got about 8.5 miles until we make it down to the Sugarlands Visitor Center. Let's get the hike in. Pretty sure that's Mount Lacan out there hiding in the clouds. lot of new growth over there from the 2016 wildfire that went through here. Pretty cool seeing nature coming back. We found Cove Mountain, 8.3 miles, and Laurel Falls is 11.2 miles ago. Definitely feels like it. Let's see what this Cataract Falls looks like today in the lower water conditions. Alright folks, that's a wrap. Laurel Falls, Cove Mountain. I believe officially it's 12.4 miles with a little extra walking. We're coming up on around 13 for the day. As usual, incredible day to be in the Smokies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.